it on video?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Let's go. You know, it's just like a normal day.
Again?
Hey, you guys are so much.
No, not just Sam, both of us. What are you doing, man? Are you ready, Sam?
Sam? No.
It's chicken. Chicken. You like chicken?
I'm a robot chicken.
You eat chicken?
I'm a robot KFC. I'm a
Look at
robot
him.
chicken.
I don't think she's getting scared.
It's kind of a fail.
Yeah.
We'll pop out. I don't know. And she's never mad at you either. She's never mad at me. This is such a cute.
This is a baby eating chicken. You want me to feed Alexander?
Butter and chicken, whatever that's supposed to be. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm mad.
I honestly don't know.
You love me.
I'm a robot.
Vinny! What? Language. Sorry.
I'm trying to be serious about it.
There's chicken around here.
Chicken like.
Hey, why is the chicken called a slide? Guys, don't I don't That wasn't awkward.
Okay, I said it.
I think I noticed that. Wasn't there
Could you take a picture of me holding it?
I'm not doing anything right now. Come with me.
I thought you already knew.
You're really dumb. You can get her to be in your arms. Hey, Sophia.
Lock yourself in the shed.
Okay. She doesn't have to. Oh, sorry. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. His iPhone is in here. Okay, I think we're done.
All right.